Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this face cream. Yes, this is vitamin C face cream, and this is Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream. I'll read out the contents. This is for the Desire vitamin C face cream. Vitamin C whitening cream, glow and moisture with berry, glutathione and vitamin. Let me read out the back. This cream is enriched with whitening ingredients and multiple plant extracts to refresh without oiliness, deeply nourish, improve and repair damaged skin, mildly whitening, fix wrinkles, spots and acne scars in a safe and effective way. Okay? Prevents pigmentation and minimize pores, leaving the skin long-lasting, bright, elastic, and moisturized. Let me read out Dr. Rachel. It says, Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Face Cream contains hyaluronic acid, deeply moisturizes, improves fine lines and dull skin. Yeah. Let me read out what it says. Benefits. Says Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream contains vitamin C and E that are known for being such very effective antioxidants, and which helps protect the skin against the effects of aging. Is a fresh, lightweight gel formula. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines and crow's feet, and brighten complexion, while hyaluronic acid provides deep and natural moisturizing. It awakens and clarifies your complexion, revealing a natural, healthy looking glow. My personal experience with Dr. Rachel face cream. So this face cream is nice. I love the fragrance, and it moisturizes the skin and gives a long lasting feel till it's finished. As you can see, I've emptied the bottle. It has this orange fragrance. It claims here it improves fine lines and dull skin, but my dull skin didn't really improve as much as I wanted it to. Like, I only saw little results. Yes, I only saw little results. But then, as for moisture, if you're looking for a face cream that will moisturize your skin, I would recommend this. It really moisturized my face. It did. And I bought it for 3,800 naira. While this Desire vitamin C face cream, I'm currently using it. They said it's a whitening cream. Yeah, I saw changes on my skin. Those dark patches I had started clearing off when I started using this. My face wasn't that dull anymore. Even my neck, I had hyperpigmentation all over my neck and my face, but it started clearing up when I started using this Desire vitamin C face cream. Yes, I got results. But then what I don't really like about this face cream is how thick it is. It's too thick for my liking. Though it moisturizes the skin, it does. But then at the end of the day, it leaves this white look on my face that I don't really like. But then kind of fades away gradually. For the work, it's really doing the work I wanted it to do. So please, if you've tried any of this, please leave a comment below for us. Tell us how good it is and how it worked for you. That is where I remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe, like and comment, because without you, this dream of becoming a YouTuber would not hard work. So please support me. Thank you.